The very short answer to that question is no, not at all. So let's get that out of the way. If your spouse had an extramarital affair, if your spouse cheated on you, whether it was once, twice, or 100 times, it will have no bearing in the divorce case. In fact, in lots of instances, that extramarital affair, that cheating situation, it's not even admissible if we go to trial. Now, there are some extenuating circumstances where that adultery will make a difference or where it can have an impact on the case. And it is very unusual, but there are situations of what's called marital waste. In other words, let's just assume for a second that husband was cheating on wife. Husband had a paramour or a girlfriend on the side, and husband was buying her fur coats, diamond rings, maybe a couple new watches, taking her on some vacations, and using community funds to do that. In that situation, you would have a marital waste claim, and the adultery itself is not really relevant, but the money that was spent is in fact relevant and would be a proper issue for trial. Another time that we see extramarital affairs come into play is in a child custody setting. Now, just a normal affair, in other words, husband cheated on wife, wife cheated on husband, that's not going to make any difference in a custody situation. However, if somebody didn't use their head and maybe they were cheating with somebody who has a drug addiction problem, or they were cheating with somebody who has a criminal record, that could impact parenting time in your case. But the general concept is that extramarital affairs do not impact your divorce case in Arizona.